Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of this. And I stated I had these out of order. If you ever want to kind of rearrange them, all you have to do is just hold down the control key and the alt key and take it away. So let's add those back though in order. So go to, in your customization, your option might be under Tools, Options, Customization in older versions. Now we have a 16-point line. We want to do a 1-point line. And what we do is we bring it till it gets that line and then bring it up. Now we'll get the half-point line, and we'll get it till we get that line and just bring it up. Now they should be in order. They're not. So let's hold down the Alt key and get rid of this one. So we have a half-point line, so we need to put a 1-point line. I'm not doing a very good job here. Let's hold down the Alt key again. Let's squash it up where they'll be on top of each other. So this is a half point, so we need to take a full point and go to that line and then just go between those two. Now they're in order. Now, like we did in the previous, you can click on this line, right click. Let's get out of this. We're going to hit OK so they'll stay there. Right click on this line, customize toolbar item. It's just going to do that one item to the right of to the right of the image. Right click, customize toolbar item, caption to the right. So now we have them in order, and we can still add any line you want. Let's go back to customization. Commands. Let's see where a hairline is. Hairline outline right there. Let's take it and move it way to the top. Hit OK, right click, customize toolbar item, caption to the right of the image. That's pretty cool. So now we click on our line, make this a hairline, make it a 16-point line. You can have the stuff right there by hitting the key W. And what's nice about it, it goes away after you do it. Anyway, so I want to thank my mentor, my latest mentor, for suggesting that, and it's a pretty cool effect. I'm going to use that quite a bit. And you could actually probably add colors. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.